time to go sleep tonight. We are done. We are tired. Hi guys, how are you guys doing today? We don't tire, I swear. We don't really tire. I just hung my phone, put from one place. The trip was not easy. It was not really easy. Oh my God. I'm cleaning my makeup because we have to go and sleep. Then we'll continue our trip tomorrow to the motherland. Let's go there. Oh, I don't eat now. I don't tire. I just say make I quickly my makeup. Let me have a quick shower because tomorrow morning we are going to continue our journey to the motherland. Okay. Gege, 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 gege. She will not believe, but I don't worry. Until I go see with my hand. They could not worry, they could just relax. Very soon, all videos will start pumping out. My editor is working. She must make a call visit to now. Well, don't worry. And I go surprise. Now I go get from me this period. You will know that I'm serious. Hello, baby. You will know that I'm serious. Don't play with me. Don't play. If not, you gotta learn the hard way. Oh God. Everybody else they say, Abi is not true. Abi, this is not. No, so that country don't upgrade. Abi, that country don't upgrade. No. You not saying that the area when be so now just know. That the most one I know. Now I follow. Man, I'm not worried now. Some of my mommies and daddy's call it say no. Now look at the drive. Who tell you say now look at the drive? Who tell you now say now look at the drive? Who says so? Gege. See, if you just see, I need to go have my shower. I don't eat. Tomorrow morning, I continue my trip. But don't worry. I just put una along. Una go. It go shock una. Just that I don't like to review my location, okay? My location I don't like to review, but it will shock everybody. Last. Gege. I don't tell you I say I did Nigeria. I don't believe. And now I know we are there. I don't fit tell now we are there. Now we are base. Look my last chill. Take a cheeky pill. Just chill. Good night, guys. One love to everybody. One love, guys.